Upbeat music playing. Hey there, smart buyers. Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart. Today, we're diving into the world of drones. On the left, we've got the Holy Stone HS720 GPS drone. Let's call it the Flyer. And on the right, the Holy Stone HS720E, aka the Glider. Strap in, because this comparison is going to be a wild ride. Graphic. Buy Smart logo with drone icons. Whether you're a seasoned drone pilot or a newbie looking to take to the skies, we've got you covered. Let's break it down into categories and see which drone will take the crown. First up, let's talk money. The Flyer will set you back $249. Not too shabby, right? But hold on to your wallets, folks, because the Glider is a bit more bougie at $399. That's a $150 difference. You could buy a lot of snacks with that kind of cash. Or, another drone. Graphic. Price tags with dollar signs. If you're on a budget and want to save some dough for pizza, the Flyer might be your best bet. But if you're willing to splurge for some extra features, the Glider's got some tricks up its sleeve. Next, let's talk cameras. The Flyer comes with a 4K UHD camera with image stabilization. It's like having a tiny Spielberg in the sky. But wait, the Glider isn't here to play second fiddle. It's packing a 4K EIS anti-shake camera with a Sony sensor. Graphic. Cameras with specs. So, the Flyer's camera is like, hey, look at me, I'm stable. Meanwhile, the Glider's camera is all, hold my propeller, I'm a Sony sensor. If you're serious about your aerial cinematography, the Glider's got the edge. But if you're just looking to capture some cool footage without breaking the bank, the Flyer's no slouch either. On to the flight features. The Flyer boasts GPS-assisted intelligent flight. It's like having a co-pilot that never gets lost. Auto return, follow me, path flying. You name it, it's got it. Graphic. GPS icons and flight paths. The Glider, however, is here to flex with its seamless outdoor flight and auto return to home. It's basically saying, I know where I am at all times, and I'll come back to you like a loyal puppy. Both drones have some serious brains, but the Glider's got a slight edge with its advanced air optical flow and air pressure altitude control system. It's like the Yoda of drones, wise and always in control. Now, let's talk battery life. The Flyer gives you a solid 52 minutes of flight time with its 2 batteries. That's almost an hour of buzzing around. Graphic. Battery icons with time indicators. The Glider, though, offers 46 minutes with its Fly More kit. Not bad at all, but it's a few minutes shy of the Flyer. So if you're planning on reenacting a drone version of Top Gun, those extra minutes could come in handy. But hey, both come with carrying cases, so you can easily pack them up when you're done showing off to your neighbors. Last but not least, user-friendliness. The Flyer is all about simplicity, with features like one-key start-stop, emergency stop, altitude hold, and even an electric fence. It's basically saying, don't worry, I've got your back. Graphic. Controller icons with features. The Glider, on the other hand, offers Follow Me, Tap Fly, and Point of Interest modes. It's like having a personal drone butler. Plus, with whisper-quiet brushless motors, you won't be scaring off any birds or your neighbors. So if you're a beginner, the Flyer's got that easy-peasy vibe. But if you're looking to get fancy with your flying, the Glider is your go-to. Reviewers are quite pleased with both drones, but they highlight different strengths. The Flyer is praised for its ease of use, stability, and value for money, making it an excellent choice for beginners. On the other hand, the Glider receives accolades for its advanced features, high-quality camera, and overall build, appealing to those looking for a more premium experience. So there you have it, folks. The Flyer versus the Glider. Both drones are awesome in their own right. But it really comes down to what you're looking for. Budget-friendly and straightforward? Go with the Flyer. Want top-tier camera quality and advanced features? The Glider's your guy. Graphic. Thumbs-up icons. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a comparison. Drop a comment below and let us know which drone you're leaning towards. Until next time, happy flying, smart buyers! Upbeat music playing graphic. Buy Smart logo with drone icons. End screen with subscription prompt and video recommendations. Fade out.